Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. And somebody posted on my YouTube channel if I could tag them with part one, and I guess I should start doing that. But I thought I'd just kind of go over this. So this isn't really a Corel video, it's more like a YouTube video. So if you want to find part one, if you will go down one thing, first thing I would do, this is called Recreate Logo. Go to my channel and go to videos, and there's that video. The number one should be first, you know, the next in line. Sometimes I do a video and it might skip a couple. But what I thought I'd show tonight, and I do this for a lot of reasons when I find other people's video, I'm gonna do all this because I'm gonna always name it the same part, the same point. Right click and copy. You can go right up here. You can do two ways. You can go to the YouTube channel or just general in YouTube and hit search. And there's those two videos. There's part one, there's part, I don't normally call it part one because I don't know that I'm going to do a part two. But you can also, and it might even help you to go to my channel, and then there is a magnifying glass in my channel, and paste it in there, and then it's only going to search my channel. And you can do that with anything with this search. I just did a video called Missing Tools. So let's just type M-I-S-S-I-N-G. Well, let me get rid of that. So you're not searching all of YouTube, you're just searching my channel. There it is right there. Missing all your tools in your toolbar. Missing tools and more. Missing tools, how to get it back. Missing the star, missing color palette. So if you're missing something or you want to learn how to weld with the weld, just type in weld. And I've got a video on how to find these videos like this, but this will help you tremendously. If you want text to path, you just type in, you don't even have to type in the whole thing. Just type in text 2. And there's text to path 2, text to path 5. P and W, I don't even know what that means. Text to path on the inside, text to path part 3, 4, text to path, wow, this will work. And there's other text to path. So that's how you find one of my videos once you're on my channel. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.